You gotta need tutorials, yeah, to know how to say them right. You gotta need tutorials, yeah. I've been thinking of searching on YouTube, get some knowledge, thinking of searching on YouTube, yeah. You get a beauty tutorials from there. Adela team, you get a beauty tutorials from there. Adela team, you get a beauty tutorials from there. Adela team, you get a beauty tutorials from there. Adela team, Adela team, yeah. Adela team, oh. Everyone wants to look so nice, especially the makeup be on point. We talking of face beauty, some nice makeup. We talking of head beauty, some nice headwrap. We talking of hair beauty, some nice hairwrap. I've been thinking of searching on YouTube, get some knowledge, thinking of searching on YouTube, yeah. You get a beauty tutorials from there. Adela team, you get a beauty tutorials from there. Adela team, you get a beauty tutorials from there. Adela team, you get a beauty tutorials from there. Adela team, Adela team, yeah. Adela team, oh. Adela team will answer your beauty questions. Adela team will answer your beauty question. Adela team will answer your beauty questions. Adela team will answer your beauty questions. You get a beauty tutorials from there. Adela team, you get a beauty tutorials from there. Adela team, you get a beauty tutorials from there. Adela team, you get a beauty tutorials from there. Adela team, Adela team, yeah. Adela team, oh. I know you like the headwraps for the beauty they bring. I know you like the hair wrap for that African look, but to know how to say them right, you gotta need tutorials. Yeah, to know how to say them right, you gotta need tutorials. Yeah, I've been thinking of searching on YouTube, get some knowledge, thinking of searching on YouTube, yeah. You get a beauty tutorials from there. Adela team, you get a beauty tutorials from there. Adela team, you get a beauty tutorials from there. Adela team, you get a beauty tutorials from there. Adela team, Adela team, yeah. Adela team, oh. Everyone wants to look so nice, especially the makeup be on point. We talking of face beauty, some nice makeup. We talking of head beauty, some nice headwrap. We talking of hair beauty, some nice hairwrap. I've been thinking of searching on YouTube, get some knowledge, thinking of searching on YouTube, yeah. You get a beauty tutorials from there. Adela team, you get a beauty tutorials from there. Adela team, you get a beauty tutorials from there. Adela team, you get a beauty tutorials from there. Adela team, Adela team, yeah. Adela team, oh. Adela team will answer your beauty questions. Adela team will answer your beauty question. Adela Diantim will answer your beauty questions. Adela Diantim will answer your beauty questions.